Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with a mini vlog. Just sharing a vlog from Beauty Matters, which is here in the background. She'd got this cart from Hobbycraft and I instantly fell in love with it. Been after a new cart anyway for my nail room to go to the side of my desk because I only had like this little shelf thing. And as I was filming my top 10 products of 2020, I thought, well, let's just do a little vlog of the cart. So I'll just put my camera on tripod and I'll be with you in a second. The cart, I think the cart was £30. It normally would live, I just pulled it out and it normally live here at the side, so it's snugged in. But to just show you what I've got in my cart, I just thought I'd pull it out. So at the very bottom here, we've just got my towels and a pot here that's got my Dymo and my sellotape and stuff in there. In the second one we've got these bins from B&M. They've got several of these bins. And in the first bin here I've just got a tub from IKEA that I put my wax strips in that I use for lint-free wipes, and my alcohol there. And then I've got another one of those tubs with my foil removal things and the nourishing remover, cuticle oil, my Tease Beauty monomer, some file sanitizer and a huge Young Nails sanitizer. But on the top here, I actually bought this tray separately because I wanted it more like a tabletop, and that's why I really wanted a new cart. In IKEA they do something similar to this, but this tabletop thing is so much more expensive. This one cost me £5, so I was really pleased with that. And then on the top it's just got a coaster for anyone's nails I'm doing, my little acrylic bin for my brushes, and then I have my tray with my monomer dish and my hand sanitizer and some hand cream. But then underneath it's just stuff that I'm not going to use a lot of. I do use it but I top it up elsewhere, so I can just lift that up. And in here I've just got 2 boxes of the C&D foil wraps and more of my wax strips for my lint-free wipes, so it just gives me that bit extra storage, but it gives me that tabletop as well. Oh, I just wanted to share with you what it looks like when it's next to my table. Also to let you know, this one, unlike the IKEA one, actually has brakes on the wheels, which is really good. So you just click that on. It's actually only on two of the wheels, so I've got it on this side and that side just because that's the way mine is, the way I've got it positioned. But it's really helpful, and it has actually given me so much more extra space. This is the unit I did used to have on here in that space, and you can see it's very small, so now it holds just a few little knickknacks. That's my godson Mason. So yeah, so like I said, I was just doing a bit of filming, that's why it's all set up, these lights and everything, for my 2020. So I've been filming this. I got a parcel from Tease Beauty, so I'll give you a sneak peek of what's inside this one, but I will be doing an unboxing of the whole thing, so keep watching if you're interested. This is what was in the box, a little sneak peek, unless this goes after I've already done this swatch video or an unboxing video. Now all I've got to do is organise these on the rings and then put all the acrylic pots up onto my shelf. So that's what I'm going to do next, guys. This is my shelves with all my acrylics on there from Tia's Beauty. As you can see, my collection is definitely growing. Really enjoy working with these. And before you know it, I'll have all the way to the top there filled with Tia's Beauty once they release them, and also having the funds to do so. Hey guys, this is me signing off. I know I'm wearing a mask, but unfortunately I broke a tooth and I got an emergency appointment at the dentist, but unfortunately he said there's not much they can do for the foreseeable. This is going to be a couple of months before they can fix it. So obviously I wanted to do this, finish this video up. I was hoping to put more content in it, but unfortunately I'm not going to get on camera with a tooth missing. I really hope you can hear me through the mask. It's so warm with this mask on actually. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that I'm cutting this vlog short. But I also did want to sign off to explain why. If you can hear a lisp or a whistle in my videos from now on, I'm really sorry, there's not much I can do. I hope the dentist can get me in as soon as possible because it's completely and utterly embarrassing. I've never been so thankful that masks are in right now. But yeah, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you continue to watch my videos, and appreciate it if you could comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.